Good morning. Welcome to day 2 of my solo trip in Disney World. Today is the park day. It is just before 7 a.m. I am not a morning person, if you know me, so this is a big deal that I'm up and ready and at them before 7. But Hollywood Studios opens at 8, and you've always got to plan about an hour for transportation. So I want to get there right at 8 and drop Rise of the Resistance. I should say they open at 8 for resort guests and 8:30 for everyone else. So I'm trying to get there before everyone else and just the resort guests so that I can get on Rise and not wait for it. So let's go.
Welcome to the cause. May the force be with us.
What I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We're needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Alright, I just got off Rise. That was fantastic. Because I'm not the biggest Star Wars fan, I'm not like walking off the ride ranting and raving, but it is so immersive. There's so much there. There was so much attention to detail, so I did love it for that. It is now 8:30, so the park is open to everyone, so I am hustling to Slinky Dog to try to get on that with the shortest wait time possible. I am not doing Genie Plus this trip. It's just not worth it to me. This time of year, the wait times are short enough that it's probably not going to be necessary anyway. The queue for Rise did open before 8, which was awesome. I was in line by 7:45, so that saved me a ton of time. So now I'm trying to get done whatever I can until about 1 before I park hop this afternoon. Wasn't anywhere near 50 minutes, which I appreciate. From what I've been hearing, the wait times have been floated pretty high to encourage people to buy Lightning Lane, and I can see right through it. And so we're going to hope that every wait is shorter than posted. So far so good, we're only on 2. So I am gonna go check out the waits for Rock and Roller Coaster and do that single rider possibly, and Runaway Railway and get those done this morning.
You ready for a picnic? Yep, we're off to the park. See you all there. Oh, hiya, folks. Want to take a ride on the train?
And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, excellent! You're all waltzing so beautifully together.
Hey, don't mind us. We'll be finished in just a minute.
Hey, what's hey? What are you guys still doing here? You're supposed to be at a show. I'm working now.
How about backstage passes for us, Steven?
Wait a minute. I love that idea. How about some backstage passes?
Oh.
Yeah.
Come on. Make it happen. Give us some.
Okay. I'll make it happen. Now get out of here. I hate all of you.
Go for a drive because of a leaky tailpipe? I'm Lightning McQueen for Leakless. Hit the trail without leaking on the trail.
Alright, I am done with my morning rides and I have a reservation 10 minutes ago at Oga's Cantina. I have not eaten a single bit of food and I should not be drinking alcohol with no food, so I pulled off to the side of an animation courtyard here and I got a Jack Jack's Nom Nom cookie. Never had one of these before. It's massive. It was $6.17 after tax. Squat down here and let's take a quick bite. It was so warm and gooey and rich. It's huge, so I'll only eat half of it. I'm gonna take a couple bites, walk through Toy Story Land, and go to Oga's. It's okay that I'm late. I'll be like 15-ish minutes late. They'll still get me in. So I'm gonna get a drink there and then keep riding rides. Oga's Cantina ended up being a super fun choice. I got the Fuzzy Tauntaun and the Black Spire Cold Brew. The Fuzzy Tauntaun was delicious. The Black Spire Cold Brew was an odd flavor, so that's why I wanted to try it, because it seemed like weird flavors with coffee, but it was a really, really fun experience and I absolutely want to do it again. It is currently 12:15. I am going to go on Smuggler's Run Single Rider as my last ride at Hollywood Studios. I will then head to Kylo Ren. Stopping traffic. I will then head to Animal Kingdom and get some Santouli Canteen for lunch and ride a couple rides there.
Welcome, right this way, my friends. Come closer, right. the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Here we go. You'll stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Left pilot. Meet the booster. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Light speed.
Excuse me, traveler. Mind telling us what you're doing with that data pad?
Super. Alright, so single rider at Smuggler's Run took absolutely no time at all. So I am going to use the restroom, get some water, hop on Star Tours, and then head out.
Appears we have a satellite receiver here. Well, satellite receivers are not allowed in checked bags.
Alright, it is time to say goodbye to Hollywood Studios and move on to our next park, Animal Kingdom. There is park-to-park bus transportation starting at 1:30. It's only 1 o'clock now and I want an excuse to ride the Skyliner. So I'm gonna Skyline over to Caribbean Beach and then pick up a bus for Animal Kingdom there. Alright, I made it to Animal Kingdom, but I have to hustle because the bus at Caribbean Beach took longer than I hoped it would. It is now 2:11. I mobile ordered Sartuli Canteen, so I have to pick that up and eat it, and then I'm trying to get to the 2:30 Big Blue and Beyond updated Finding Nemo show. So, this park has the most square footage. It is the largest park. And I'm hustling from one side to the other for my lunch. So, wish me luck, but I think I can make it. Alright, I got a kid's meal bowl with rice and beans. That is the saddest amount of slaw that I've ever seen, but I have 9 minutes to get to the other side of the park. So let's see if I can eat it in 5. Alright, so the reality is Disney days rarely, if ever, go 100% according to plan. So by the time I hustled over here, it was 2:31 and a half and the doors were closed. So plan B is to wait for Kali River Rapids. The wait is about 40 minutes and I'm hoping it's a little shorter. So I'm gonna ride that, get myself all soaked, and then I'm going to freeze my tushy off in Nemo at 3:30. I'm hustling because I want to be out of here around 4 so I can take a nap in the room before heading to the final park. Trying to get out of here. We're trying to make this park quick and do the things that I've never done. So Kali River Rapids is next. I'm prepared to get soaked. I'm not gonna film, but I'll let you know how it goes. All right, I got absolutely soaked. I was wringing out my shirt as I was walking out of there. I'm drenched. And of course, it took a lot longer than I had anticipated. So I cannot go see Nemo. I missed the 3:30 showing. It is currently 3:36. So I am going to single ride Everest and then call it an afternoon and head back to the hotel for a nap and to put on some dry clothes. So one more ride, not necessarily how I planned this park to go, but that's okay. Still getting a couple rides in and having a blast. I needed that cool off and we're gonna finish out strong. All right, we love a good walk on. I was able to was the only person in the single rider line for Everest, which was great. I don't have it in me to ride another ride with the state of my current clothes. So I'm headed back to the hotel. I'm just a little bummed because the wait time for Kali River Rapids is down to 20 minutes. So it's all right. It's just a bummer that the one priority ride I had for this park ended up taking so much longer than I wanted it to. But all is not lost. I did exactly what I sought out to do while here. I wanted to watch Nemo, but if we're talking in technicalities, I've seen the show before. I know it's changed, but I don't want to feel discouraged about missing one of the new attractions that I haven't done, since that's my goal. I didn't mention that very clearly at the beginning, but that's my plan and goal for the whole day, is to do all the things I've never done before. So I'm tired. I would like some dry clothes, so I'm headed back to the hotel. I am wrapping up this video here because I have deluxe after hours tonight at Epcot. So I'm gonna do all of that in its own video. So give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next Epcot video. Thanks for watching. I need a nap. I'll see y'all soon. Goodbye.